getting this issue with my Civic 2000. Uh, the idle suddenly comes down and then goes up by itself. I have changed my IACV valve, so I don't know what could be the problem for this one. If anyone knows, I will appreciate your help.